I really hate the Target's cash register, because it looks so stupid. So do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to spray paint it with red spray paint, so that way it'll improve more. Yes, I spray painted the cash register red at Target. Now, it looks nice and colorful.
Jackrabbit, what did you just do to my cash register here at Target? Did you spray paint it red? Tell me the truth, right now.
Yes, I spray painted your cash register red here at Target because it looked so stupid, so I thought spray painting it red would help improve.
Seriously, Jackrabbit? I cannot believe you spray painted my cash register red here at Target. You know that you are not allowed to do that at all, and now I have to get a new cash register because of you. That's it. You are now kicked out of Target for 10 days, and I will call your parents about this. Go home right now.
Oh gosh, when I get home, I will be in a lot of trouble.
When Jack Rabbit got home.
Jack Rabbit, what you did here at Target is unacceptable. The manager from Target just called and told us that you spray painted the cash register red and got kicked out of Target for 10 days. Why would you do that?
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I only spray painted the cash register red because it just looked so stupid, so I thought spray painting it red would help improve.
Well, Jack Rabbit, that's no excuse to why you spray painted the cash register red at Target, and because of this, you are grounded for 7 days. Go upstairs to your room right now and stay there until we say you can come out.
Yes, Mom and Dad, whatever you guys say.